everyone, my name's Becky and I'm the young adult librarian here at the Tomball Library, and I am outside in our beautiful garden today in my scarf and coat to tell you all about an important British holiday that's coming up. So Bonfire Night, or Guy Fawkes Night, originates from the gunpowder plot of 1605. And there's a rhyme that British children all, at some point in their lives, learn that kind of sums it up. So I'll do that for you now. Remember, remember, the 5th of November, gunpowder, treason and plot. There is no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot. Lots of people enjoy having Bonfire Night in their own backyard with fires and fireworks and seasonal food. When I was growing up, we used to love using sparklers. And then moving into adulthood, I would attend some bigger professional firework displays. So we finally have some cool weather, and it's the perfect time to get in the kitchen and get baking and make some of the traditional recipes. Things like baked potatoes, chili, and toffee or candy apples are already familiar to American viewers, but there are certain recipes like parkin cake and treacle toffee that will require a little more effort in order to make that authentic bonfire night. I hope you enjoy!